Hey everyone, welcome. Today we're talking about how to use the dip bars so that you can progress your dips to harder versions like the bench or even using a dip bar up on top like at the gym. So you have your bars, bring them apart a little bit so that they're not touching. Bring yourself in front of them so your butt's to the back. Grab the handles on top. Your feet are together, your knees are together. Your hips are just in front of your shoulders a little bit versus being right underneath you, right? You're gonna dip down and come back up. Now you can always use your legs to help you back up. If that's too hard, bring that leg back, kind of like a lunge. Dip down and come up. Have your leg help you 20%. But I want 80% using your arms. Step forward. That's how to use the dips with the dip bar.